back to Scots Weekly.
Hope you guys had an amazing break from school, but now it's time to get back to work.
That is correct, Christian.
Plat up!
Yes, light up here at Highland. Hey gamers, it's not too late to join the Highland esports crew. We are currently playing Overwatch and the season has started. Stop by room 7H for more information and the parent permission slip if you're interested. Remember, deodorant is strictly prohibited.
Hey Scots, new month, new reading challenge. Join us for all the fields from January 9th to the 31st. Top 10 readers will get a prize. For more info, go to the HHS Library webpage or just go to the library.
Miss Rennick's Human Body System class has learned how burns and wounds damage the skin with the Burn Unit Lab. Using glue, makeup, and even toilet paper, they demonstrated what different injuries would look like from bruises to burns to cuts in the skin. This lab is part of their unit on the skin where they study the functions of the skin and how it heals itself, as well as the different types of burns. No people were harmed in the making of these wounds.
Calling all seniors, it's time to purchase your cap and gown. Please order online at www.justjostins.com or call 1-800-JOSTINS. Starting February 15th, the price will increase.
Now let's go with information with the restroom policy.
PU. Hey Scots, Aiden here, 442. I gotta let you know, the restroom has mandatory things that you gotta follow. You're not allowed to go to the restroom the first or the last 10 minutes of class.
Hey guys, I'm Donnie, and that's right, you can't use the restroom within the last and first 10 minutes of class.
Hey, and just remember, you need a pass from your teacher, like one of these.
That's right, and if not, you'll be sent back to class by security.
So remember, Scots, be respectful and follow the rules. Always have a pass. Where you going, buddy? Where's your pass?
Thanks for the information. Sports time!
Hey Scots, I'm Juan Garcia, and here are some sports events happening next week. Boys soccer versus Bakersfield, Tuesday, January 17th, 3:30. Boys basketball versus Bakersfield, Tuesday, January 17th, 4 p.m. through 8:30 p.m. Frost off, girls soccer versus Foothill, Thursday, January 19th, 3:30. And JV varsity girls soccer versus Bakersfield Christian, Thursday, January 19th at 4:30. Varsity girls wrestling at Highland Tournament, Queen of the Land, Friday, January 20th. Varsity boy wrestling at Highland Tournament, Highland Invitational, Saturday, January 21st. And go out and show some support to our Highland athletes.
Thanks for that sports information.
Are you planning on taking that special one to formal?
Listen up to this information.
Hey Scots, I'm Isabel Clegg. 2023 Winter Formal in the Clouds is coming up next Saturday on the 21st. Ticket prices are going to be $70 starting next Monday. Today is the last day to get your tickets for $60. Don't forget about the formal proposal contest. 2 lucky winners will get 2 free tickets to the formal this year. Remember to use the hashtag HHSInTheClouds23. Post it on Instagram and tag HHS Scots so you can win the tickets. Good luck.
Thank you for the details.
Let's go with some weather information for next week.
Hey Scots, I'm Devin. We had some crazy weather this week, but let's get into weather for next week. Monday is 60 degrees with a 60% chance of rain. Tuesday is 51 degrees. Wednesday, 53 degrees with a 50% chance of rain. Thursday, 51 degrees and a 30% chance of rain. And Friday is 54 degrees. So remember to get your umbrella and your jackets. It's going to be cold.
Thank you for that report.
We have another team at the library with some more information. Listen up, Scots.
Hey Scots, I'm Ricky. Let's look at the library to remind you guys what's offered here. You could use the computers before school, during lunch, and after school to get work done from your classes. You could also read a book in the reading and study area. You could also check out a book from the library to read in your own time or at home. Overall, the library is a great place to Highland that we should all check in our free time. Back to the studio.
Well, that's it for today's thoughts. Have a great day.
Can I say E?
Go for it, Christian.
Remember to plat up!